Hey guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and boy, do I have a treat for you. This is a southern dish that is called Old Oven Peach Cobbler. Yes, get into it. It is so delicious. The crust is amazing. And honey, this is made with a secret ingredient that I'm about to show you in a second. You will not believe how delicious this dish will come out. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now I know, 1 cup of butter sounds like a lot, but baby, it does its job in this dish. So as you know, if you are dieting, don't eat this, okay? But honey, take a chance. You're gonna need a bowl of ice cream and when you eat this because this is so delicious, okay? So let's get back into it. Now you can split this recipe in half and make an 8x8 pan as well. That's totally up to you. But I made a 9x13 pan. all you're going to do is blend in the sugar and the peaches together. Just kind of mix it until the sugar is well blended with the peaches. It's going to look kind of wet. You know, you don't want to have any dry sugar. So as it's blending, it makes its own juices. So you're good to go. So make sure, please, that you drain the peaches before you do this step. You don't want to add any extra syrup or water into this. All you need is the sugar and the peaches. I could have added another can of peaches, but my son actually loves it this way, so that is why I only did 2 cans. So, but you can do 3, you can do 4. It's totally up to you how many, amount of peaches that you want. But honey, you have to try this dish. Now I'm not blending it together. I'm just kind of like pressing it down, making sure they're kind of even. And you're going to put this in 375 degrees preheated oven and cook for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how dark you like it. And there you have it. It's done. Now we're going to let this cool, but you cannot eat a lot of this because yes, it is full of calories. But baby, you will enjoy every bite. If you can only imagine how good my home smells right now. But listen, this crust is to die for. It is so good. You will not believe how delicious this crust tastes. So yes, we are about to dig into this. I want to thank each and every one of you for checking my videos out. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys take care.